Let's set up the call recording add-on in under a minute. Go to your phone settings section, then click on Account Add-ons. Look for the card labeled Call Recordings, then click Edit. Now choose the package you want. Remember, advanced packages include keyword search, text transcription, and call summaries. These packages are billed monthly per user. Review the billing details, then click Submit. You'll now see your selected package listed at the bottom of the card. And that's it. You're all set to start recording like a pro. Bonus tip: if you're on the on-demand plan, just tap the red record button in the mobile or web app to record a call. Using a desk phone, press *3 to start or pause recording.